Aloha, aloha. All right, guys. So once again, we go back into this thing, and I lead these videos off with what are you gonna learn today? Well, I talked in another video on how to take feet into inches. Now we're gonna do inches into feet. It's the same concepts, but I just break it down slower. So that's what you're learning today, and how you're gonna know you're gonna did it. So how you know you'll do it when you be able to teach someone else in this field of study, and then you be able to go convert it, and it checks out when you use your ruler, your measuring tape. That's when you know you're successful. And why you need to learn this. If you're gonna stay in this field, at one point you're gonna cross this at a given time, at any given time. So we wanna make sure you're able to do this on a time and a quick manner way. All right, here we go. Real quickly, so we get into this bad boy here. We can use a number from last time. We came out with we had a 36, we had 46 and a half number, right? We're just gonna keep using that number. All right, so our number right now is 46 and a half inch. Now we're using divide, right? Because inches into feet, you got to divide. So we can divide this number here by 12. All right, show you a trick right quick, and as I usually do it is this. I look at the number and I say, okay, let me put this over 12. Let's put this over 12. This is what we got to do, right? Now, you can use a calculator, but you don't have a calculator, right? Okay, cool. Look at this thing and ask yourself, well, how many times can 12 go into 6 evenly and what it lives over? That's basically what it is, right? So I know, looking at this thing, 12 will go into here how many times? Well, you can times it or you can just add it. So until you get the closest you can get to 46. So let's just add as close as we can get to 46. And then that way we can, that's where you can, once you get your math skills up and you start seeing what times look like. So 12 plus 12, all right? And then plus 12 plus 12, all right? So let's do this. Now let's add like numbers, which is all the way through, but let's just keep it like this, 12 and 12. Let's just break this down really quickly. 24. So you can do 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 24. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 24. Either or, right? And then you're gonna add these again. So 2 plus 2, just bring the plus sign here. It's like saying, I'm taking the 2, I'm taking the 2, and I'm taking the 4, and I'm taking the 4. And I'm adding them together because this is my plus sign. So that's 2 plus 2 is 4. And, oop, we got off somewhere. Wait. You said 46, right? 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep, we got off somewhere. Let's see where we got off at. 2 plus 2 is 4. That's 24. Oh, that's too big now, right? So we got 48. Well, that's telling us we went too far, right? Because 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now we got to think about it. Now we can't use 3. It can't go in there 4 times because it comes to 48. Well, that's too big because our number is 46. Now we got to subtract 1. All right, let's subtract 1 then. So we got to take one of these bad boy off. We're not using all 3. We're just going to use, that's 12. 12 is 24 plus 12 is 36. All right. So just know we had to subtract 1 because this doesn't work out for us. All right. All right, so what does work out for us is 12, 12, 12. So this scratches out. Let's come down here. Let's do this really quickly. Let's just go 12 plus 12 plus 12. And again, you guys do the math. So we'll go 2, 2, 2. That's 2, 4, 6. So I'm just sorting individuals, so don't get confused. I took this number. I took this number, and I took this number to get this number. And then I'm taking this number, and this number, and this number to get this number, 36. I haven't forgot about the ½ inch. That's gonna come down later. We're gonna do that later. All right, so 36. Now we're trying to convert this into feet. Now, 12 can go in there how many times? 3 times. So 12 can go into 46 equivalent of 3 times. Right? So I was just trying to show you how many times you get 12 winners. Going 36, right? So now we want to do this. So we got 3 times going there. So what we're going to do is 46 minus 36 to give our number into the feet number. We're trying to get how many inches we have left. Right? I think I'm going to run out of paper. Then we'll just do it over here. So I'm taking 46 minus 36 to see what we got. So watch this. 46 minus 36 equals 10. So just again, 46 minus 36 equals 10. There's 10, so there's 10, right? So we bring that number over to here. Now we put our tick mark in here, a slash mark, indicating that this is 10. Now we bring our half inch down. That comes down here. So what we try to do is try to figure out how many times can 12 go into 46, and we realize it don't go 4 times. It's too far out. But we realize we can go there 3 times evenly. 1, 2, 3. Then we added it all up and said, okay, that's 36, right? 46, 36. Then we said, okay, now we got to take our number. We got what's left over. We took 46 minus 36, so we know that going in there evenly, and it left a remainder of 10. We just brought the 10 down, and we brought our half an inch, and there you have it. Now we add 46 and a half is 10 and 3/4, 10 and a half. And you might ask yourself, how do I know that's true? Well, your handy daily tape measure. Again, feet, every 12 inches, 1 foot. Keep going until you see, you can either see you see 3, or you see the number you're looking for is 46, right? 46 and a half, wow. Which again is 3 foot, because we move up. When we read the measuring tape, it's in feet and inches, but you gotta know how to read it. So we went up 10 feet and a half. So it's 46 and a half, it checks out. As long as it checks out, 46 and a half checked out the way we did it, you'll be A-okay to get to here. And I was just doing some extra stuff like adding these things, the side numbers up to get this, and then adding these 3 up to get this, and then so on and so on. But it's different ways to do it. Calculator make it easy for you guys, but if you don't have that much time and you still have a hard time processing how to do math, this is the key, fastest way I know how to do it. There's several thousand ways of doing this, but this is the way I introduce this to the individuals that's still struggling how to do it. Just break it down to what you know. Just add and subtract, and that's how you take divide. That's how you do division. How to take inches to feet. This is how you do it. This is one way of doing it. We know that is, again, this doesn't work. I just scratched that out, but we know this works. All right. Well, reach out, guys, if you need anything. We're going to do one more video on how to add and subtract feet into inches and inches to feet. Again, we're going to combine the two. We're going to combine feet and inches together to show you those two things and how that works. And then once you get that concept down, you can easily take feet and feet and everything else. These are things you need to know while you're in the trade, so that way you're able to process quickly and teach others how to do the same thing. All right, so look out for the next video. It's gonna be feet and inches, combination of both. So it's gonna be feet and feet. We're gonna be actually adding feet to feet and converting it into inches, and then inches into feet. Same thing. All right, you know how I do it, guys.